Hello traders, in this video I'd like to tell you about 3 important mistakes that prevent not only beginners but also experienced traders from overcoming difficulties on the way to a stable, profitable scalping. So let's get started. The first and the most common mistake that affects the psychology of a trader, forcing them to make wrong decisions, incorrectly selected deposit. As a result, increased volumes. You can promise yourself as much as you want to carefully manage the deposit, for which in fact you are not ready psychologically. The first tilt, namely when you're out of control, when you're emotionally unstable, and you will start to overestimate and over exceed your leverage just to compensate your losses. As a result, your deposit will melt very fast. So, how to determine which deposit is comfortable for you, taking into account your experience, skills, and psychology? There is a very easy way to check it. If you get into trades and consistently monitor each point of the price movement, pull the stop loss, hoping for the price to reverse and get your profit, and very quickly fix the profit after it has just been drawn. There are These are sure signs of unpreparedness for current volumes and current deposit. Reduce trading volumes until the open position no longer makes you stare at the screen with sweat on your forehead and pray for every trade. For you, 5 system stops in a row and the corresponding loss shouldn't cause any emotions. Second, absence of a trading system and risk management. The main element of the trading system is not even the rules for entering or fixing the trades based on a particular strategy, but following the rules of risk management. Maximum drawdown per day and per trade. It's extremely important. This should be an unbreakable rule, following which should lay in your subconscious as an automatic reflex. Following system, good day notwithstanding the financial result. Infringing system, bad day, you are 3 steps back even if you were lucky to get profit. And finally, the third mistake, trying to trade everything at once. Do not use more than 2 strategies at the same time during the day. However, don't focus on just one strategy. The market is volatile, and yesterday's breakouts, as you see, which brought good profits, worked much worse today. Only those who finally learned to be flexible and began to trade some other strategies, pipsing, volatility grabbing, pullbacks, smart zones, and so on, were able to reach a stable income again. But there are those who are not flexible enough, they are still trying to take breakouts that the market doesn't yet give so well, and they suffer long-term losses. Please be flexible in order to be profitable during each stage of the market. So by removing these 3 mistakes from your trading behavior, you will notice how your trading has become much effective. Take care of yourself and your deposits.